Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. This will be a little bit different. I was challenged to the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, but I'm just going to go the route of donating the $100. And I thought, hey, why not donate some of the profits here from trading? So that's what I'm going to do. I was nominated by someone from my church, Michelle Vandersloot. So this is for you, Michelle. And like I said, my goal is $100 since, from my understanding, that's the way it works. So if I lose money, then I'll just have to come back tomorrow and try again. But $100, if I'm smart and conservative about it, I should be able to hit that. So let's see what happens. I will keep you updated. Market opens up here in about 15 minutes. Okay, markets are open. I'm going for some shares here short at 26.25. I am in. So I'll look to cover those at 26.17 or attempt to build a bigger position higher. This one's pretty volatile, so we'll see what happens here with it. So not going to go for, or I should say I'm going to be a little more conservative in building the position. So I will keep you posted. All right, I'm getting closer to my exit point there at 26.17. So I'm out there for a quick 8 cents, so $40. So let's go. Let's try to find $60 more. Going for some shares here short of Best Buy at 31.09. Went up as high as 31.07, so it was a little late there, but we'll see if it can get back up there. Actually, I'm going to go to 31.15. Now let's do 31.18. I think that'd be that way we can cut in front of the 31.20. So we'll see what happens with it. Going for some shares here at 91.85. On QIHU, if the 92s can fall, that should trigger a bunch of stop losses and send the price down pretty quick. So I'm hoping for a quick fill and then a bounce. But if not, you can see very, very overextended on the day. This price is really getting beat up. So I'd like to try to catch the 92 break on video if it happens, but I'll keep an eye on it. You can see I have another order out there for GILD right now. So I'm doing quite a bit of fishing right now, trying to see if I can get any nibbles on my orders. This one moves fast, so like I said, I'd like to catch the 92 break if it happens, just so we can see how the stop losses react, but not quite down there, so I will keep you updated. Okay, here we go, 92 getting hit. You can see lots of orders there, which would make sense, big round number. So far so good in terms of holding as support. So that's why I say with a break of that, it should shoot down pretty quick. And now back up to 92.10 on the bid. Well, now back to getting hit again. You can see some big orders down there. All right, I will keep you updated. Getting hit again, and there's, see, and now I am out. So I will look to sell at 92 or build a bigger position, but you can see how fast that absolutely moved on that break, which would be expected given, like I said, those stop losses. So let's see what happens if it can bounce up there to 92 and get me back out, or if it wants to pull back some more, I can build a position into this overextended move here. Like I said, you can see here, look at all these candles. I mean, just getting very, very nasty. Gonna try for some 200 at 91.51. So let's see if it can get down there. I will keep you updated. Okay, I got those at 90 at my 91.50. So my average now is 91.62. So I'll look to sell some at 70. A couple more at 75. So I got those off. Now let's see if it wants to bounce anymore here. And I'm just going to take those right there. So quick little $34. Wasn't bouncing exactly like I wanted it to, and now you can see it's starting to pull back. But I will start all over again, certainly trying to build another position. This time, however, I'll start down a little bit lower. So I'm thinking right around there. I'll go check some other time frame charts, but I will keep you updated. Well, you may see if 50 falls, then I'd fully expect me to have a great shot at getting this next order at 91.35 filled. We're up at 74, so almost to the goal there for the $100 donation. Like I said, I'm trying to play things extra conservative. I'm not going for any massive scores or anything like that. Just want to get up to my donation amount, and that way I can. And I should note at the end I'll talk about the actual charity that I'm going to donate to. So you can see here 91.50, really offering there's that break. So I'm in as expected with the break. Should have gotten me in pretty quick, and now I'm out that fast. So there's an example of stop losses. So now I'm at 87. That wasn't a big score, but very fast money as you saw. So 91.30. I'll start down at 91.20 now to restart the position building. If it wants to get down there, I will keep you updated. Going for some shares here short at 92.35. Well, it had made a fast move, so I'll try my best to capture the entry point on video if it happens. But again, 92.35 have a short order in. Just trying to short up into this bear pennant, bear flag, whatever you want to call it. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated. Okay, I moved my order up to 92.49 after watching some of the other action. Got up as high as 92.44. So close, but nothing yet. We'll see what happens. Alright, got distracted a little bit. Had just ate some breakfast. When I say distracted, I don't know, maybe like 10 minutes or so. So just getting back into it now. Looking to pick up some shares. I got a fishing order out on DSW. Have a fishing order here on Best Buy. So we'll see what happens, but I'm still looking. Just $13 more to hit the goal, and hopefully I'll be able to capture that on the next trade. The next trade I get, regardless of what I do, is I'm just, it's going to be a very small little gain that I'm looking for. So let's see what happens. Let's see if this can break below 30. Okay, here's doing battle with 30, and there's the break. So let's see how far the stop losses can take it down. I'm hoping for a 10-cent move down, but maybe it was only going to be a little 5-cent move. Yeah, looking like it's already back over. All right, I'll leave my order down there just in case it wants to revisit. I'm going to go check out some other stocks. Okay, going for some shares here at 105.25 on GILD. See if we can pull down there or not. 5-minute chart is very overextended. So let's see if it can. Looks like 105.40 is offering some support. There we go. Well, it was down there. I will keep you updated. You can see, oh, you can't see, but it went down as low as 105.28. So I was 3 cents there from catching that bottom, but did not work out. So I got my other fishing orders out there. So I'm gonna have to get a nibble at some point. Let's see what happens. Okay, going for some shares short at 106.30. Let's see if it can get up there or not. I feel like this entry point's being pretty aggressive too, so I mean, come on now. So much time on this video just sitting here watching, waiting for an entry point. I'd like to get some trading action. I will keep you updated. Well, sorry about that. Missed a very boneheaded mistake. I went to actually try to short some more. I had 100 on at 106, and then I wanted to short some more as it looks like it's trying to roll over here. But then I clicked the wrong button and I actually accidentally covered. So $9 gain when I wanted to get more because of this move here now that you're seeing. This should probably continue to roll over. So I wanted some more, but wrong button. So I guess lesson there. Always make sure you're paying attention to what buttons you press. So I'm gonna let's see, $4 more. So let's see what I can find. All right, I picked up some shares, just 100 at 559 here on USU. This is I was alerted in the chat room, so I got this one out of the chat room. It's been a big runner for us in the past, but just wanted to scalp out so I could get up to my goal. Like like I said, just 100 shares, but I'm now at 109. It is 10:15, so a good 45 minutes spent for the well, in fact, just you take out breakfast time, so a good 35 minutes for time for a charity. I'll take that. So now I just want to talk a little bit about the charity here. This was recommended to me, but you can see, just I want to show that it's legit. So from the Michigan Department of Military and Veterans, the Grand Rapids Home for Veterans. I guess they take they take care of people that do have ALS, veterans, and I'm a big military supporter. So anything with veterans or stuff like this, that's awesome. So thank you for the people that brought this to my attention. So that is where my donation will go to, and I'll take a picture of the check and everything and put it into a blog post. Just so I know there's a lot of shady stuff that goes on out on the internet. So I'll make it as legit as possible, but I just want to show that it is going to a legit charity here. And like I said, this is from Michigan.gov, so you're more than welcome to check that out. But again, Grand Rapids Home for Veterans is where I will be donating these profits. So I'm going to wrap up the video here. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't done the Ice Bucket Challenge or anything, I'm sure that's right around the corner, and I guess I need to nominate somebody. So I nominate my good friend Nate, and he just is known by his first name. So Nate, you now have 24 hours to either donate or get soaked in some ice. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something.